Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Vilisa Summer JVN Vlog. For today's video mga guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko inaalagaan si Noah. Si Noah pala guys, yung aking sasakyan. Ito po siya po ay 2007 model. Matanda na po si Noah guys. And I have a 10 engine maintenance tips that help your engine runs forever. O yung tips na to, nakukuha ko lang yung sa aking mekaniko. Galing sa aking mekaniko guys. Check to keep your engine fit and functional. The engine is like the heart of a car. It needs to run smooth in order to keep your car moving. I can't emphasize more on how important it is to keep the engine fit and functioning efficiently. Here are 10 engine maintenance tips that help your engine run forever. Number 1, change engine oil at regular intervals. This is least you can do. The engine oil keep on moving part well lubricated so that wear and tear is minimal. Also, it traps oil and dust, dirt, and sediment, keeping them out of places. Check oil levels every month and top up if the level is low. Oil grade and change intervals are subject to the manufacturer's or recommendations. The oil filters is equally important as it filters all the junk from the oils and stop regulations back into the engine. This will ensure that your engine runs smooth and cool. Number 2, keep check on the cooling system. Even though have come a long ways in terms of efficiency of a car engine, a lot of energy is lost during combustions in the forms of heat, metals, and alloys which your car engine is made out of are not very good friends with heat. Always ensure there is ample coolant in the tanks as it is very important for heat. Disinfections. A ratio of coolant and distilled water is ideal. Also, it's a good thing to look at the engine temperature, the clutch on the hot, sunny days, and shut your car down in case it's close to overheating. Number 3, let it breathe. Short of breath, feeling tired, your car's engine needs oxygen as much as you do. A constricted air flows can cause the fuel do not burn completely, in turns increasing emissions and reducing miles age. Check the air filters and get it clean. Change whenever you feel there is too much dirt and debris stuck to it. Your engine needs to breathe properly to function well and keep going. Number 4, lock your leaks. When you put out of the driveway, stop and look at the parking spot for any fuels on the ground. If the fuel is leaking, you should visit the nearest mechanics. You can also check under the hood to see or smell something leaking. Number 5, don't keep going on reserve fuel. Pag wala ng gas, wag mo nang gamitin para hindi masira yung engine. Number 6, check your belt. Rubber belts are essential links to keep everything in tune when an engine runs. If you hear a squish coming from under the hood, it is time to replace them. You should check your belts for cracks and signs of wear even though they last a long time. Number 7, do not ignore the check engine light. This light is your car's suitable scream for help. Never ignore this and immediately get the cars inspected by your local mechanics. We did an articles earlier on what it could possibly means. Check engine light pumping up. Here is what you meant. This basically a self-diagnosis which put in the place to protect your engine. Pag may kakaibang lights sa sa panel board, check to your local mechanic. Number 8, replace your fuel filters. It's similar to the oil filters. Put filters out junk from the fuel, prohibiting entry into the combustion chambers. A new filter meant free flow of clean fuel to the fuel pumps and engine. Number 9, replace spark lights and wires. The spark pings act as a fire starter. Its inmates the air fuel mixtures in the cylinders and requires little maintenance owing and its long life span. Regular maintenance will ensure that the engine retains its spark. At timing, they don't even need replacement. Some cleaning can be of great help as lots of soot gets accumulated around the electrons over time. Number 10, your engine doesn't like reviving just to come to the complete hatch. Okay, engines are engineered to run at the constant speed. This is when they perform the best. Too much vibrations in the ribs tires it out and it takes a toll. The city driving where you can constantly move and come to stop is really hard on the engine. Huwag palagi ka nag-stop dahil traffic. Mas madali daw masira yung engine mo pag ganyan. Try not to rev too hard. Instead, be sure-footed and don't over-accelerated when you know you have to stop again. Try sticking to the highways however possible. This will give you better mileage. Now you know, while driving in the highway results in the less fuel consumption and keep that engine running for longer. Pag matraffic, mas madaling masira yung engine natin dahil sa traffic. So, yung tips doon, wag mong masyadong i-accelerate yung sasakyan mo. Pag alam mo naman, titigil ka na naman doon palagi kang tumitigil, so wag mong i-accelerate yung sasakyan mo para hindi siya masira yung engine. So, these tips should keep your engine healthy and save you a lot of money in repairs, replacements, maintenance, or the engine is the most expensive and complex part of your car. It demands a good care and will returns the favor of pitching a good resale value when you plan to sell your car o yung gusto mo, ipaplano mo, bibinta mo yung sasakyan mo sa kailangang pag-ingatan mo yung engine niya na hindi masira. So that's all. That is my simple tip on how you keep your engine run forever para hindi siya madaling masira, guys. So by the way, this is my Toyota Noah. My Toyota Noah is a 2007 models. Napakatanda na ni Noah, guys. Mas matanda pa siya sa anak ko. Or the Toyota Noah is the hybrid to definitely a heck of an offer. It is very spacious, good to drive, stylish, packed with features, and very practical. Moreover, despite of a performance advantage over the non-hybrid version, the Toyota Noah, the hybrid fuel consumption is also lower than of the non-hybrid one. The the model 7-seaters, features the captain seats in the second row, and in addition to Ottoman mechanism, a first for this class, and a seat heaters. May siyang heaters. Top speed of my Noah is 175 km per hour. My Noah is 154 HP engine. Takes only 9.8 seconds to reach 100 km per hour or 60 mph up to the top speed of 175 km per hour. The fuel consumption is 28.8 km in 1 liter. So this is my simple tip on how you take care of your car para mag-last siya forever o para hindi siya madaling masira. Number 1, change engine oil at regularly. Number 2, keep check on the cooling system. Number 3, let it breathe. Pahingahin mo naman yung sasakyan mo. Number 4, look for leaks o yung leakings. Palagi mong hinahanap yung leakings or kailangan walang leakings yung sasakyan mo. Number 5, don't keep going and reserve fuel. O pag mawala ng fuel, wag mong patakbuhin yung sasakyan mo para hindi siya masira. Number 6, check your belt. Number 7, don't ignore and check engine lights. Or may kakaibang lights doon sa panel board. Kailangan you should check to your local mechanics or pag mayroong hindi ka naintindihan na lights doon. Number 8, replace your fuel filters. Number 9, nasaan yung aking number 9? Sinulat ko yung aking kodigo. Number 9, replace spark plugs and wires. Pag may sira sa wires, palitan mo na. Number 10, your engine doesn't like reviving just to came out and complete hatch. O yung pag complete mo ng hatch pag traffic, kailangang wag mong malakas yung speed para hindi siya madaling masira. Pero kung alam mo naman, mag-stop ka naman palagi. Pero kailangan lang slow down lang yung takbo mo para hindi mabigla yung yung engine mo. So, that's it for today's video. Pasensya na aking boses dahil ako'y may ubo. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Lisa Summer GFN Vlog, and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga tips or sa aking mga mga basta-bastang sasabihin. Charot. Ganyan siya. Shout out sa aking mga friends dyan. Hello kayo mga guys. Keep on supporting. Salamat. Pag mayroon kayong katanungan guys, pwede kayong magtanong sa akin. Charot.